Hi guys, welcome back to another epic episode of SoVi Small Talk. And today I'm going to be telling you one of my favorite books that I chose for the book of the month, Measuring Up. It is a graphic novel by LaMotte and Anne Sue, ages 8 to 12. So, if you're a junior chef like me or you love cooking, then this is a great book for you.
Just like me.
Exactly. So, there's this girl named Cici, and her ama and her, ama means grandma, go out to the morning market every day. And so, they're going to Seattle soon, and she's very sad. But they're having a going away party. So, then she goes on the bus, and her ama gives her something. And it's like a special ingredient for food. And then one day she made friends at her school. So one day when she was walking to her school, she found this sign saying contest. And she looked at the money and she said, oh my God, she can get all this money to buy the plane ticket for her grandma to come. Oh my God, I hope she wins. So there's 5 rounds. And her teammate is Miranda. But at the last round, Miranda and her are separated. And she's freaking out. I know. So, I'm not going to tell you the ending, but you have to read the book to find out, to see if she wins. Plus, I hope she gets the plane ticket so
Cici can be reunited with her ama.
Correct. I hope she wins.
I hope she wins.
Measuring up, measuring up, measuring.
So please read the book, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so we become famous.
La 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 la